I'm Eliese, and this is Elise's Edible Science. It's a beautiful sunny day out today, and we're going to take advantage of our knowledge of acids and bases to make some fizzy lemonade. Now, acids are things like lemons that have that kind of sour taste when you have them in your mouth. Bases are things like baking soda. They have almost a soapy feel to them. So not all acids and bases are edible, but thankfully for us, baking soda and lemons both are. For this lemonade, we're going to need the juice of one lemon. You can decide whether or not you want to squeeze that or just use a bottle. I'm using the bottle. You can estimate it's about 3 tablespoons of juice for a single lemon. You can also scale this up if you want, so multiple lemons is always fine. You're also going to add about a ½ teaspoon, it can be a little rounded, of sugar or other sweetener. You're also going to add about the same amount of water as you added juice. Helps balance out that acidity so you don't just pucker up on the immediate sip. Once you have all those things in there, we have our acid. It's time to add our base, this baking soda. Now when an acid and a base get together, they have a reaction, a chemical reaction that results in carbon dioxide, so little gas bubbles being created in the liquid. So thankfully for us, that's going to create a delicious fizz. So the same amount of baking soda as you did sugar, a ½ teaspoon. Ready, set, go. Now it should foam up nicely. If you've got a tall enough cup, it won't spill over. You can stir that gently to make sure it's incorporated, and then go for it. Thanks for coming out.